Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of grade 7, chapter number 1, exercise 1.3. Find each of the following products 3 into minus 1. So here what we have to do, 3 into minus 1. So 3 ones are, it is 3 and we have to put minus. So our answer is minus 3. Next is minus 1 into 225. Here first of all you have to remember that if the minus are given in an odd number like 1 times, 3 times, 5 times or 7 times and so on. So our answer is always in minus. But the minus are given in an even times. This minus is given in an even time, then the answer will come positive. It means even means 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times and so on. So if minus comes like comes like 2 times or 4 times or 6 times or 8 times, then our answer will be positive. So here minus is given in an odd time. It means 1 time. So our answer will be negative. So it is minus 1 into 225. It is minus 225. Then see minus 21 into minus 30. So here minus are given 2 times. So our answer will be positive. So what we have to do, 21 into 3 because minus cuts. So our answer will be positive. So it is 21 into 3, that is 63. And here we have to put the 0 of 30. So our answer is 630. Now minus 316 into minus 1. So here also minus are given 2 times. So our answer will be positive. So 316 into 1. So that is 316. Here in E number, here in E, the number is given minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Here 2 times minus are given, but here we have to see 0. If we multiply any number with 0, then we always get 0. So our answer is 0. Now next is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. So here, how many times minus are given? That is 2 times. So here our answer will be positive. So here 12 into 11 into 10. We remove minus from here because 2 times minus are given. So it means the answer will come positive. So 12 into 11, that is 132 into 10. So it is 1320. Then minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. So here 3 times minus are given. It means odd times. So here our answer will come negative. So here first of all, if you are taking this pair, then we have to write this number in positive because 2 times minus are there. So here we have to take only 18 into 5 and here minus 4 because here parent is not there. So here we have to take only minus 4. So 18 into 5, that is 90 into minus 4. So 9 4s, it is 36 and here we have to put 0 of 90. So our answer is minus 360. Now minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So here how many times minus are there? It is 4 times. It means here minus are given even times. So our answer will be positive. So here first of all we have to take this pair. So it is 3 into 6 into 2 into 1. So it is 18 into 2 ones are 2. So it is 36. So our answer is positive 36. Now next question, verify the following. Minus 21 into bracket minus 4 plus minus 6 bracket close and is equal to minus 21 into 4 in one bracket and in the second bracket plus in the second bracket minus 21 into minus 6. So here we have to prove that LHS equals to RHS or not. So here this is given, that is LHS and this is your RHS, left hand side and right hand side. So first of all we have to prove left hand side. So here we have to write LHS equals to minus 21 into, in one bracket minus 4 is there plus minus 6 is there. So it is minus 21 into, first of all we have to solve this bracket. So it is minus 4 plus minus it is minus 6. So minus 21 into minus minus it is plus. So 4 plus 6 it is minus 10. Now 21, here minus 21 is there and here minus 10 is there. So 2 times minus are there. So our answer will be positive. So it is 21 into 10 is equal to 210. Now this is our LHS. Now we have to prove RHS. So RHS equals to minus 21 into minus 4 plus, in the second bracket, minus 21 into minus 6. So here first of all minus 21 into minus 4 is given plus minus 21 into minus 6 is given. So minus 21, so here 2 minus are there, so we have to remove minus from here. Plus here also 2 times minus are there, so here we remove the minus from here also. So here 21 into 4 it is 84 plus here 21 into 6 it is 126. So now add this 126 and 84. So it is 10 and 8, 9, 10 and 11. So it is also 210. So LHS also comes 210 and RHS also comes 210. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. Hence it is proved. Now next question, find product using suitable properties. Here we have to put the suitable properties. So let's check here. 48 minus 48. Both are given 2 times. So here A bracket B plus C. It means here distributive property. Over multiplication is applicable on this question. You can see A is equals to minus 48, B equals to 26 and C equals to minus 36. So here 2 times minus 48 are given. So here we have to apply distributive property over multiplication. So let's write this in this formula. So A is given minus 48 and B is 26 plus C is minus 36. So it is minus 48 and here 26 plus minus it is minus 36. So minus 48 and here it is 36 minus 26 it is 10 and we have to place the sign of the greater number. So greater number is 36, so here we have to put minus. So minus minus it is plus. So 48 into 10 that is 480. So this makes our solution easy. If we apply the different properties, so this makes our solution easy. So our answer is 480. Now next question, 8 into 53 into minus 125. So here what we have to see that 8 into 53 into minus 125. If we are multiplying 8 with minus 125, it will be easy for this to calculate. Like, so for this which property we are using, that is commutative property. If we are multiplying A into B or B into A, the solution becomes same. So here 8 into minus 125 into 53. So it is minus 1000 into 53. So answer is minus 1000 into 53. It is minus 53,000. Now minus 41 into 102. So here I can write minus 41 and here 100 plus 2. So it is 102. The thing is same if you are writing 100 plus 2 or 102. So here I have to give this minus 41 to both the number. So this indicate that on this we have to use distributive property. So minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So minus 41 into 100, that is 41 minus 4100, and here minus 41 into 2, that is 82. So it is minus 82. So minus 4100 plus minus, it is minus 82. So minus minus, it is plus, but answer will be in a negative. So it is 4182. So our answer is minus 4182. Now next question, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are for every incorrect answer and 0 for not attempted. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. So what is his score? So we have to find that Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answer. So first of all, we have to find out how much he scored. So we have to write first, that is marks given for the correct answer, for every correct answer is equal to 5. So here we have to write the solution. Marks given for each correct answer is equal to 5. Now marks given for each incorrect, it means for one correct answer, how much marks? Minus 2 it will be deducted from your total marks. Now for not attempted, 0 marks are given. Here Mohan gets 4 correct answer and 6 incorrect answers. So here we have to write Mohan gets marks for correct answer is equal to how much? 4 correct. So 4 into 5. So it is 20. Now Mohan gets marks for incorrect answer is equal to how much incorrect? 6. So here 6 into minus 2. So it is minus 12. Now we have to write the total score. So total score of Mohan is equal to 20 plus here minus 12. So it is 20 plus minus, it is minus. So 20 minus 12 is 8. So here Mohan scored 8 marks. Now next, Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. So here we have to write Reshma gets marks for 5 correct answer. So it is 5 into 5. So it is 25. Because 5 correct answer and 5 marks for each. So we have to multiply this 5 into 5, that is 25. Now Reshma gets marks for 5 incorrect answer. So it is 5 into minus 2 because minus 2 are awarded for each incorrect answer. So it is minus 10. Now total score of Reshma, it is 25 plus minus 10. So here 25 plus minus, it is minus. So it is 25 minus 10, that is 15. So here Reshma scored 15 marks. Yes, so dear student, here we completed this exercise 1.3. I hope you all will understand it nicely. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.